How to update the Libertex app. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Play Store from your home screen or app list. Once the Play Store opens, tap on Source button located at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type Libertex. Wait for the search result to load, then tap on the official Libertex app developed by Libertex International Company. Next, check the button on the app page. If you see an update button, it means a new version is available. Tap on update and wait while the latest version downloads and installs. Make sure your internet connection is stable and do not close the Play Store during this process. If there is no update button and you only see the open option, it means your app is already up to date. Once the update is completed, the update button will change to open. Tap on open to launch the updated Libertex app. After opening, the app may load for a few seconds as it applies the new changes. Now you know how to update the Libertex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.